better health decisions every day. Remember those crazy healthcare costs we talked about earlier? If this AI coach can help reduce chronic diseases, it could potentially save billions in healthcare costs. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about privacy and data security. After all, we're talking about some pretty personal health information here. The team says they're building a unified health data platform with robust privacy and security measures. But, as with any tech dealing with personal data, it's something to keep an eye on. It's also worth noting that this isn't the first time tech companies have tried to tackle health issues. Remember IBM's Watson Health? That was supposed to revolutionize healthcare, but it ended up being a bit of a flop. And there have been other health chatbots and AI health assistants that haven't lived up to the hype. But Thrive AI Health seems to be taking a more careful, thoughtful approach. Now, I should mention that this news comes at an interesting time for OpenAI. Just recently, there was a report about a security breach at OpenAI last year. Apparently, a hacker got into their internal messaging systems and stole some confidential information about their AI design process. OpenAI says their main AI systems weren't compromised and no customer data was lost, but it does raise some questions about security. Some OpenAI employees have expressed concerns about potential national security risks, worrying that rival countries could steal their AI tech. This isn't directly related to the Thrive AI Health project, but it's something to keep in mind as AI becomes more and more important in various sectors, including healthcare. But to be honest, they're just getting started. They haven't launched their product yet, but with the backing they have and the team they've assembled, I'd expect to hear more from them soon. They'll likely be doing a lot of testing and refining before they release anything to the public. So I guess the question is, are we moving towards a world where AI plays a bigger role in our day-to-day health decisions? And if so, what are the implications of that? There's also the question of how this fits into the broader conversation about AI. We often hear about AI in terms of things like chatbots or image generation, but this is a reminder that AI has the potential to impact really fundamental aspects of our lives, like our health. What do you all think about this? Are you excited about the idea of an AI health coach? Or does it make you a bit wary? Let me know in the comments below. Meta has just dropped a bombshell in the AI world with their latest release, the Llama 3.1 AI model, and it's pretty groundbreaking. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's get started. All right, so Meta's been gaining a lot of attention with its Llama models for a while, but with Llama 3.1, they've really upped their game. The star of this release is obviously the 405B model, which is touted as the world's largest and most capable OpenAI model, and it's setting some serious benchmarks in the industry. The Llama 3.1 405B model packs a whopping 405 billion parameters. Now, to put that in perspective, parameters are like the brain cells of AI models. The more you have, the smarter and more capable your model can be. Meta trained this model on over 15 trillion tokens,